So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we will be discussing about Yes Bank share. So today we have not seen any great movement in Yes Bank. So moderate downfall was seen and it has closed near 16 rupees level. So we know that there were many positive updates on Yes Bank, whether it may be the partnership with PNB or it may be the various FPIs increasing their holdings. So many positive updates are present, but few negative aspects like various agencies degrading the rating. So few agencies have given 14 rupees target as well. So in the market a panic situation was created. So what happens, we know when panic situation is created, so many retailers try to exit, they book the profits. So ultimately it is an opportunity for various big players, so they start grabbing it. So accumulation happens at the bottom levels. So what should be the strategy? So how we should apply, what should we apply in Yes Bank? So everything we'll discuss, and also we'll discuss about the various FD rates that Yes Bank is offering, and we'll compare it with major banks like SBI, HDFC Bank, and we'll try to draw out some conclusions. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so one of the major reason that we have not seen that great fall, but we can say moderate fall was seen in Yes Bank. So one of the reason, you can see Anand Rathi, so he told to maintain a sell rating. So he was given a sell rating, and you can see valuation and key risk. So these were the two major things that he has told. So what should we do at now? Okay, so many people will, especially when this particular updates come, so it is actually a panic situation for the retail investors. So don't panic. So firstly, there is nothing to majorly panic in this. So there is so many banks which are already under the backbone of Yes Bank. So whether it may be Yes Bank, so major banks, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, so there is nothing problem for that. So major downfall, nothing will be seen. So maximum if it goes to 15, again we'll try to average. So but it's not, it is an opportunity, right? So majorly what retailers do, so whenever any stock continuously falls, they start selling. So they start selling at the bottom levels, so ultimately again the stock also starts going up. So that is what is called panic selling. You should always have a habit of selling at the highest point and averaging at the lowest point. So that is where it is called art of investing. If you sell at the lowest point and if you buy at the highest point, so what is the difference? So ultimately you will have the loss, you will miss the opportunity. So don't do all those things. So various agencies, they may give their ratings, their opinion, so we'll discuss what they are trying to suggest, but we need to follow a set of pattern that once we are entered at low levels, definitely any stock will give good returns. Okay, especially these. So don't have any panic situation. So we'll discuss the reasons why they have told a sell rating and given target of 14 rupees. Okay, so what was the major reasons that that particular person or agency, they have given a less target of 14 rupees? So we know that firstly we need to understand that asset quality of Yes Bank is also improving. So what was their reason? So they were expecting that the Yes Bank slippages, so whatever is with slippages, they are feeling that they would be higher than what the management had talked about it earlier. So we know that management had talked basically there would be little fall, but this particular person is telling that that particular slippages will also increase. So basically if we see the stress book, which you know that particularly every bank has, so that has gone up almost to 106% from what the bank has disclosed in the last quarter. So that also we know. So if we see, it is currently so these are the major reasons where stress which is present in the corporate book, that has seemed to increase. So this was the major reason what they have told, and that's what they have reduced the target. But don't worry, asset quality is improving. Okay, so those were the major reasons that has slightly influenced the stock, but don't worry about that. So asset management, so whatever you discussed, so those are still on positive note. So no banks or no mutual funds, so blindly they invest a huge stake. So they also need opportunity. So they create a panic situations, so where we exit and they take the opportunity. So if you see FD rates, so FD rates are also very important, right? So many people who invest in private banks or public banks, so they expect little bit of FD rates. So if you see Yes Bank, how much much FD rate it is offering. So you can see 6.75% return is being offered for amount less than 2 crores. So 6.75 is the return. But if you see S Bank, if you see major banks like SBI, so those are offering very less, roughly around 3.4 to 5, so 3.4 to some 4, roughly around those regions. So check it out once. So in that region they are offering. So FD rates wise also it is very good improving. So that is again one important thing. But retail attention, so what we see like HDFC Bank attracts retailers, right? So retail banking is very important, so that should increase. So ultimately in future also the bank will be benefited. So now since FD rates are increasing, so it will be very attractive to retailers as well, because 6.75 is not a joke as well. So very good return as compared to other banks. So this consistency should be maintained. So don't think about all the ratings. So try to analyze overall picture, so then you'll get the idea. Okay, so if we see S Bank on technical charts, so we can see that currently it's trading near 16.25, and if you see how it has been moving on charts, so clearly you can see this green color line is nothing but the 50-day exponential moving average, and you can see that it was trying to sustain that very well, but due to various market conditions as well, it has gone little down, but again it has started retracing. So you can take what we can say, if you want a best buy level, I would suggest 16 rupees is the best buy level for long term. From there we can see some extreme movement in the stock. So 16 rupees is very good level, and you can expect targets up to, in short term, till 17.5 is the first target, and after that 18 rupees. So you can expect those targets in the short term. For long term, ultimately, as many reports suggest, patience is required. So without patience we can't do anything. So patience is only the major success. Okay, next when we see indicators wise, so what is the first indicator? Money flow index. So that you can see it is near 59, so that is in the mid range, so neither in overbought region nor in oversold. So still momentum is possible. That is, in the coming sessions it may start to move up as well, so depends as well. So don't try to exit, so see the opportunity. As I told, whenever market corrects, try to find the opportunity. So since asset quality is improving, so little slippages may be present in the next quarter, so that was the major reason. But after that, if retail banking also improves, definitely we may see some good returns, because FD rates you can see 6.75, that is also not a joke. So major positive and big updates are present, so positive news are bound to it, but you need to see that you are paying the patience, that is, you're paying the attention towards the company without any selling. So keep those things in mind as well. Okay, so in 1 week chart also you can see little bit of consolidation is seen. Okay, you're seeing little bit of consolidation, so little bit of accumulation is also present, so that is again a positive update. So don't do any selling, so take it as an opportunity. So if it runs, you can see if bullish momentum comes, then 20 rupees so easily it can achieve. Okay, so 20 rupees easily it can achieve. So try to accumulate in small portions. So whenever you find a correction, try to add in small quantities. Again correction, try to add again. So in a set of sets you need to add your investment, so that would be beneficial. So many people have asked in Telegram as well, not regarding this stock. So various stocks, if you are having any doubt, do message in Telegram as well, so we'll discuss each and every point clearly. So apart from that, if you have any doubts, you can message in comment section as well. Both you can message in comment section in Instagram, and you can also follow on Telegram to not miss any instant updates. So until then, take care, bye bye.